Hi guys, it's your girl again, Sandy Grace aka Marazi. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell if this is your first time so that you see more of this video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to reject poverty. A lot of people have lived in poverty not because they want to, but the most important thing and the first one I'm going to be talking about today is your mind. The state of your mind actually defines where you will be in life. If you have a positive mindset towards life, you see yourself becoming who you want to become. I want you today to make sure that all the negative things in your mind, you have been able to sort them out. The truth is that whatever you think about yourself in your mind actually forms the picture you are becoming. If you can clear your mind from your negative thought, you will be who you want to be in life. So follow a lifestyle that will lead you to the destination you are going to. Have a positive mindset towards it, no matter how it is in your life. Don't look at the stage you are now. Still look at the future and you become that person you want to become. A lot of people carry this mentality that if they see a person, for example, driving a good car, they will say they can never afford it. No, it's a lie. But if you are able to train your mind to think positive at all times, you will be able to acquire what you want. In as much as you are poor, doesn't mean that you should think like a poor person. Don't think like a poor person. Don't feel like because you are poor, that is how life will remain for you. No. If you continue with that mindset, you will not grow. You will not see yourself achieving those things you want to. It will only be a wish. So building your mind is that letting go of the things that do talk you down. If you have a positive mindset, there is nothing that can stop you from being who you want to become in life. Everybody starts from their mindset to be. If you want to be rich, what you have to be, think like a rich man. Act it in your mind. Be it, even the present situation should not make you feel like that is where you want to be. Look forward. Let your brain process that you are able to become rich. The next one I'm going to be talking about is the number 2, which is the inability to transmit from your poor mentality. A lot of people have this kind of poor mentality that wherever they are today is where they will remain. They don't see the value in them that they can actually transmit their life to be who they want to become. They think negative all the time. All what they do, they sit down and remain in that standard position thinking that riches will just come like that to them. No, it doesn't happen that way. Look for what to do. Believe in what you are doing. Take action and you will become that person you want to be. But if you continue having this poor mindset that things will come to you one day, it can never happen. So even if you are married to a rich man and you are not rich, you are still poor because you won't be able to process the standard, the capacity the person is carrying. You can't run in your blood. You are poor and you remain poor. If it throws you out, you go back to your former life. So transmit your life to shape into what you want to become. And the third one I'm going to be talking about, which might be the last one for today, is the law of value. A lot of people has potential, but their potentials are not needed where they are. For you to be able to build value, you have to be in a place whereby your value is wanted. What am I trying to say? Is that once you have value, and maybe for example your value, what you have, what is in you is for you to address the youth. Look for the classes of people your value will be needed. That is how to build value. You can't just say I'm a footballer. Meanwhile, the people we see around you are the old men, people who are old enough to be your grandfather. You are telling them about football. Yes, they will only gist with you, but there's no opportunity open for you to showcase your talent. So if you want to be relevant and you want your value to be built, you have to be where you are needed, not where you are not wanted, not where your value cannot sell. What I mean by value is what you carry, what you can do. Your sole aim in life is if you want to display it, is where it is needed. I'm going to be dividing these 3 things for you to understand. I'm going to be talking about, under that I have subtitle of, let's say, 3 values that you have to create. Number 1 is the law of productivity. The law of productivity is simply turning your value into goods and services. is the ability for you to be able to produce things, show it to the market out there. What you know how to do best, you transmit it into sellable products, into things that people would like to engage themselves in, would like to exchange it for money. Show it forward, show it to the classes of people that need that thing, so you'll be able to make money out of it. And selling your product bring forth money. It makes you to become wealthy. It makes you to improve your standard of living. So make sure that you are able to process your value, to make sure that you show it to the right people and they will patronize you and you get your money in return. And by so doing, you are creating wealth for yourself. So be able to be functionable in something. If you are not good in office work, be good in business. If you are not good in business, be good in selling things for people and make your money, and you become more wealthy. Then the second one is the law of increase. The law of increase is very, very essential. This is the ability for you to be able to grow your finance. How do you grow your finance? Any income you have. Okay, for example, if you are working, you can be able to be saving 20% for yourself or 10%. This is the money you are paying yourself, and save it. It will bring increase in your financial status. You can also say, I'm doing this and I'll be keeping, when this income comes in my business, when this income comes in, 10% is for savings, and that saving will enable you to grow richer, and you'll be able to know that even for a year you can save up to the amount you never expected to have. So be able to increase your finance, and also by increasing your finance, you can also do other multi-purpose business to increase your finance. Legal work, not illegal. Do illegal business. Like, you cannot be expert in this, but you can also undo this. You can also add it for you to be able to increase your finance. And the last one I'm going to be talking about today under creating value is the law of exchange. The law of exchange is very important. If you check out the number 2 I was talking about, I told you that you can also do other things to increase your finance. Yeah, it's also based under the law of exchange. Through exchanging what you know with what other people know, learning other things, you'll be able to increase your finance. You grow higher, you step up. When you make mistake, you learn from others, and you'll be able to grow yourself to that rich person you want to become. And even if you don't have knowledge to become rich, with what I'm saying now, you create time for yourself and learn more and do some other things to add value to your life. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Thank you so much. I love you guys.